All right, duties, we're here as the situation worsens and the water continues to rise. Show you guys the situation here on the side of the house. Starting to get deep. And we are reaching levels of 2017 now. We have pumps all around the house, barely sustaining. I'll give you guys a look out where it's coming in from. The street is completely taken over by the river. And we're here in Fabreville, Rivière des Mille. And this is where it's gushing in from. And with the wind, let me tell you, it's coming in even faster. And this is where we are. We're completely surrounded by water. In the middle at about 3 feet. And there you have it. All right, we're gonna keep on battling this water. Peace out, dudes.